The Charitable Stat Widget simply is a stat report that shows specific info of the donation campaigns. On the category option, you can choose the target campaign to show the stat of. On the display option, you have 4 types of data to choose from. They are the total amount of fund, progress, total number of donors, and total number of donations. The Style tab has a single section for all those 4 display types, making it a lot easy to customize the stat appearance. Just change the color, height, and border of the content. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed this small tutorial.